Malala Yousafzai, the girl who spoke for unheard women of tribal areas. When she was born to Torpikai and Ziauddin on 12th of July 1997, they never thought this baby girl is going to be the youngest Nobel Prize winner one day. Malala Yousafzai was born in Mingora, Pakistan, one of the most deprived area of Pakistan in terms of girls' education. Passion for education is rare in girls of rural areas, but for Malala the case was opposite. She was determined not to give up on her basic right to education. Presence of Taliban in the Swat Valley was quite evident for long, but they tightened their grip in the early 2000s. All the restrictions were for girls only. They were banned from attending schools and any other cultural activity. Here when Malala, just in the age of 11, raised her voice against Taliban and supported girls' education via her anonymous blog and Urdu section of British Broadcast Corporation BBC, with the pen name Gul Makai, she became the biggest critic of all the suppressing tactics of radical groups. She wrote her fears and told the world how a beautiful valley of Pakistan is turning into a war zone where children are afraid to go to school. Her activism in such an area brought her into the limelight. She was nominated for prizes like International Children's Peace Prize in 2011. That same year, she was awarded Pakistan's National Youth Peace Prize, but not everyone supported and welcomed her campaign to bring about change in Swat. The morning of October 9, 2012 was a dark day for her family. 15 years old Malala was heading home from school when she was shot by the Taliban. It was a deliberate act to stop women from becoming aware of their basic rights. She survived those wounds and became an icon for the world, a symbol of resistance, a sign of bravery. On June 12, 2013, at the age of 16, she spoke in the United Nations. Later the same year, she published her first book with the title I Am Malala, the girl who stood up for education and was shot by the Taliban. In the acknowledgement of her work, she was awarded by the prestigious Sakharov Prize for Freedom of Thought from the European Parliament. She co-funded an organization with her father by the name of Malala Fund to raise the voice for girls' safe and free education. For her tremendous efforts at the age of 17, she became the youngest person to receive this prize. Accepting the award, Malala reaffirmed that this award is not just for me. It is for those forgotten children who want education. It is for those frightened children who want peace. It is for those voiceless children who want change.